Floorcare.biz is proud to present the newest release in our growing lineup of floor equipment, the x20BT. The x20BT is a brand new walk-behind battery-powered machine featuring a 20-inch cleaning path with a 30-inch squeegee assembly, 16-gallon solution tank, and 17-gallon recovery tank, making all your jobs a breeze. This unit also features a traction drive, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and manual adjustments, making the floorcare.biz x20BT a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit will ship to you with batteries, charger, and a 20-inch brush, and is covered under a 5-year parts and 2-year labor warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.